to my fairy art garden. I am Princess Annabella, and today is my special fairy day. Twirls around, do you like my wings? I feel so magical. Today, we are going to design a super cute, sparkly outfit for Barbie's first day at fairy school. What do you think? Should we use pink, blue, or purple?
Drawing.
First, let's sketch the top and this adorable pleated skirt. Now, look, a matching cap and these cool boots. Oh, and Barbie needs her backpack for her magic books. Do you like drawing, girls? I love it. It feels like my pencil is dancing on the screen.
Coloring. Lilac. Pink.
Time for some pixie dust colors. Let's use sweet pink, icy
Lilac.
blue, and lovely purple. It's looking so bright.
Blue. White.
Now help me blow some magic glitter. 1, 2, 3. Blows at the screen. Wow, look at all those shiny stars. Does it look like a fairy outfit now? Yes or no?
Dress up.
Are you ready for the ultimate fairy magic? Let's transform our drawing into reality. 1, 2, 3. Look at her. Barbie is wearing the real dress. Look at the front. She looks like a pastel princess. Now look at her from the side and the back. Look at that tiny colorful backpack. Isn't she perfect? Look at the flowers in her hair and her sparkly boots. Barbie is so ready for fairy school. Girls, where should Barbie go today with her cute backpack? To the magic park or a unicorn party? Tell me your ideas. I want to know everything. I had so much fun on my fairy day with you. You are my best friends. Thank you for drawing and playing with me. Don't let the magic end. Click on the next video right now for more sparkly adventures. I love you. Bye-bye.